Well, welcome back to the driveway garden, and we're going to do an update on Italian oyster mushrooms for you. So what I did is I set these up on January 7th. We got the mushroom spawn in, and we got the aspen shavings from the pet store that's used for bedding, and you soak that, and we set that up in this 5-gallon bucket on January 7th. I was starting to get pinning, which is the baby mushrooms starting to show, but they were just kind of sitting there for quite a few days. So I added some heat, because it's kind of cool down in my basement. I have them in the shower down in my basement. I would wet them down 2 or 3 times a day, and then I put this heat on there, and they started growing much faster and better. But then after a while, after about 6 or 7 days and checking them, I found they were drying out a little bit. So I added the warm moisture with a humidifier, and that made all the difference. They really grew much better. Every house is going to be a little different, and since I had them in a small room downstairs, just not a lot of moisture around there, even though I was wetting them down, it wasn't enough. So the warm, the heated steam and moisture coming from that humidifier really helped a lot. So we had a great harvest. Beth and I ate a wonderful Reuben. It was very tasty. I had a second harvest as well. Second harvest, I'll show you in a minute right here. And this is the 3rd round right here. And I'm finding they kind of start petering out. They get used up, and you only get so much. So I'll harvest these at that stage. And they're good here too. So I'll add that. But after a while, with the harvest that we got, I had too many to eat at once. So what we did, what I tried is I tried drying them out. And right here, these are pretty dry. If you take you kind of hear it, almost crunchy, but it has a slight sweet taste. It still tastes good, but I worked with these. So what I did is, after I dried them out, I rehydrated them, just put them in a bowl with some water. That's all. Give them an hour or so. They rehydrate nicely. Still be able to cook whatever you want with them. So it's been a really enjoyable experience. Had to try some different things to get it to work. But it turned out to be great, and I'd recommend it for anybody. It's very easy, and it's not expensive. So you can really enjoy this. The other thing we got coming up is we're going to just take a quick look, probably at our compost pile. Look at our video for thermal compost. We gathered materials to get through the whole winter to keep it warm. It's working. And we'll just show you a quick temperature, just to give you a visual update of that. And we have a short one will be coming up. Please look for it on a wormery. Just a real simple way to do it. And those are things that are coming up. After that, we'll have seed starting. So many things, and I'm excited because spring is coming, and we can get things going, and I'm ready to go. So enjoy this, and take a look at our other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Well, that's it for today, friends. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them in the comments, and be sure to hit that like button, plant that subscribe button, and hit the bell so you can continue to see what we're doing. Thank you for pulling up to the driveway garden, no dig container gardening.